Another common concern that I get is chiropractic care safe for kids, for children? And the answer is yes. I adjust quite a few kids, including my own. I put chiropractic care in the same vein or in the same boat as proper nutrition, maintaining a healthy stress level, getting enough sleep. All of these are supports to maintain optimum health. Chiropractic care, keeping your muscles healthy, keeping your joints mobile, keeping your pain threshold high. It's all part of just maintaining a natural high level of health.